Hello, viewers. You are welcome to Babairi Agbe TV on YouTube. My name is Chief Rashid Ademola Adegbola. Organic agriculture as a business enterprise. Organic agriculture as a business enterprise. We have in the house an organic farmer. He will introduce himself and give us the response on how to establish organic agriculture as a business farming. You are welcome, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Please kindly introduce yourself.
My name is Adeyinka Adeniyi Latif, an organic agriculture in Ibadan,
Thank you.
Onara local government area.
Thank you so much. If I may ask, how can we establish organic agriculture as a business farming?
Well, organic agriculture as a business, as a farm business, is very interesting.
How?
Uh, First of all, a person that wants to go on organic agriculture needs a land. The land has to be either owned or leased for certain number of years to avoid pollution and some other things that might come from the conventional farming. Now, after the acquisition of land, if you acquire the land, the first thing you have to consider is the conventional farmers around you in the four corners of your farm. If you don't have enough land that will give you the buffer zone, there is something we call buffer zone.
What do you mean by buffer zone?
Buffer zone in organic agriculture is the distance between the conventional farmer and the organic agriculturist. It has to be within the four corners of the farm. By Nigerian standard, there is a standard for organic agriculture for each country. Presently, for Nigerian standard, the buffer zone has to be 30 meters in the four corners of the farm, left, right, back, front. So you must maintain that buffer zone. The essence of buffer zone is to avoid pollution from the conventional farmer that are using chemicals, fertilizer, and all sorts. So that is the stage one. If one cannot afford to get the land that will give you that buffer zone, you cannot practice organic agriculture. That is the stage one. The stage two is the preparation of land in organic agriculture. If you want to prepare your land for organic agriculture, it has to be natural preparation. What I mean by natural preparation or artificial preparation is you have to, if it's a sort of virgin land, you have to pack the weeds or the tree. You have to pack the refuse together and burn it. You cannot burn at random because there are some useful organisms on the land. If you burn at random, it will kill the fire will kill the valuable organism on the land that are useful for the crops. So those are the indices of organic agriculture. Then after the preparation of land, like I said, you have to maintain the buffer zone. In your buffer zone, the crops you want to plant in your buffer zone, you have to maintain it the same way you maintain your buffer organic area. But to differentiate it, you have to make sure that the crops you plant in the buffer zone is different from the organic area, so that if the inspectors there are some inspectors that will come and inspect your farm to certify it that is really, you are really practicing organic farming. So the crops you have to plant for buffer zone, we call it buffer crops. You may if you want to go on vegetable for your organic farming, you can use maize or cassava for all the buffer zone. That is number one. If you satisfy that condition, that is number one. Number two is the use of fertilizer and petrol. Like we are saying, if you want to specialize on vegetable for your organic agricultural practice, your buffer zone, you should make sure that you don't plant the same kind of crop you are planting in the organic zone. For the buffer zone, you can plant maize or cassava to differentiate your conventional crops from your organic crops. The buffer zone, you have to treat them the same way you treated your organic area, because we don't want pollution. Let me come up like this. People might be asking, what are the reasons for the maintenance of buffer zone? The reason for the maintenance of buffer zone is we want to avoid pollution from the conventional farmer. The conventional farmer that are using chemical to clear their weeds, that are using fertilizer to improve the standard of their crops. We want to improve to avoid the pollution. So it's the buffer zone crop that will take care of those pollution. So your cover zone crops, despite that you use the same way, you treated them the same way, though it's not considered as a organic produce. I think that is clear. Then after that, it comes about pest control. The way they control pets in the traditional way or conventional farming is different from organic agriculture.
Okay.
People might be feeling that it's difficult. To us that have been practicing, it's very easy.
To you organic farmers.
To we organic farmers,
Okay.
it's very easy because we have been used to it. It's what we do day in, day out. There are some things that are within our environment that you can use to control pests.
One? Okay.
The major ingredients in controlling the pests and diseases in organic farming is neem. They call it dongoyaro.